Do you own a vibrant and happening multi-cuisine restaurant or cafe spread across one or many locations? If yes, then you are in the right place. We know that managing a cafe or restaurant business, like yours, is a complex and challenging job. It takes a lot of owner effort and team coordination behind the scenes to make it truly successful, but it doesn't have to be. A restaurant or cafe value chain comprises multiple stages and players. It starts and ends with the customer and relies on the owner managing the entire value chain to deliver customer delight through an efficient and effective business. Mobile and tablet interfaces for in-restaurant ordering experience lack intuitiveness, have room for improvement, and result in low adoption by customers of scan-based ordering systems. This generates low ROI on deployed system and also creates dependency on waiting staff accuracy and efficiency. Further, it limits efficient operations and data traceability, reliability for business owner intelligence and analytics. Chef receives orders from different sources and has to remember order preferences, specific instructions, multi-cuisine or kitchen requests. When the chef prepares a specific dish and realizes that order needs to be modified but finds an ingredient out of stock due to high demand of that ingredient through the day. Multiple touchpoints, back and forth communication, and inefficient process to complete a potential single-step billing process. Tracking and consumption of kitchen items, managing indent requests from various departments, backfilling stock and purchasing it from multiple vendors, receiving and validating procured stock. Costing and reporting of inventory trends over time. All these tasks are disconnected, manual, and time-consuming, thus increasing the input cost. Owners face challenges of not being able to measure, track, dive deep, and improve their KPIs at the click of a button. They would like to attract and retain customers and employees. While reducing people dependency, they would like to have intelligent and actionable insights to increasing sales and optimizing costs.
CyfrOne acknowledges the problems faced by the HoReCa industry and offers a unified one-stop solution platform called OASIS that integrates all essential features and functionalities. The solution has a user-friendly interface that is easy to use and customized for different roles and preferences. The software architecture has a scalable and adaptable model that curates to different business sizes and needs. Stay tuned for what's coming.